Welcome to the third installment of the Member Compass 101 tutorial series. If you hadn't had a chance to view the first videos, the entire series is available online on our website or our YouTube channel. Today's video will review the layout of our new website, including maximum visibility for your company and resources that are available at your fingertips. To begin, we'll dive right into our home page. At the top section, you can quickly view our headlines, as well as our upcoming events and latest news. Also on our homepage, we have our Cornerstone members listed. Partnership and sustaining level members can be viewed by clicking on the button links to a listing of these members. Each listing links directly to their company directory listing. Our President's level Cornerstone members have their logo displayed on the scrolling ribbon. You may notice they're not in alphabetical order. This display will update each time the home page is visited or refreshed so that new logos are displayed first to provide equal visibility. And each logo is a link to each company's directory listing. Scrolling down to the bottom, you'll find additional informational videos, resources, and a link to sign up for our weekly e-newsletter. Returning to the top to review the menu at the top section, under About Us, you're able to view more information about our Chamber's mission, our Board of Directors and Chamber staff, as well as our committees and volunteers. From this page, clicking any of the committee pages, you'll see that the volunteers are provided additional recognition on each committee page with their headshot, listing of their company, and quick link to their directory listing. Under the What We Do tab, you'll find more updates on our Chamber initiatives. You'll be able to access a digital copy of our public policy agenda, as well as find direct links to Masters Housing Bureau, Leadership Augusta, and Students to Work, all under the What We Do tab. Moving briefly over to Events, we dive in deeper onto our Events tab in the second video of our tutorial series, but here we'll just do a quick review. Under this tab, you'll be able to find a quick link to our events calendar, view information on available programs, sponsorship opportunities, and member-to-member events. From here, you can also access application to submit a member-to-member event. Under our Streaming tab, you'll be able to quickly view the Chamber's latest news releases, as well as access information and the applications for our award programs, the Top 10 and 10 Young Professionals to Watch, and Augusta's Entrepreneur. Also listed on these landing pages, we have the past honorees of these awards listed as well. Our Augusta Region tab, this information available is not just for companies investing in the region or individuals relocating here, but it's also a great resource for more information on our market. This particular tab provides information on our region's major economic sectors, more about the region and moving to our areas where a relocation packet may be requested, as well as access to a digital copy of our lifestyle guide. Moving back to the Membership tab, we had skipped it earlier, but now we'll dive in just a little bit deeper. The first link is simply one of two ways to log in to manage your company and your member profile. We also list more information about Cornerstone membership and member benefits. Our Member Benefits page is a great resource for quick access to review the benefits and programs provided for our members. From here, you can download the application for a ribbon cutting or groundbreaking. Simply download, complete, and email to our Membership Growth Manager to begin scheduling. We also have more information on your complimentary lifestyle guide listing, as well as discount programs with Drugs Don't Work, Constant Contact, and office supplies, and more information on the complimentary memberships to the Georgia and U.S. Chambers and your subscription to Georgia Trend magazine. Also under the Membership tab is where we have the Member Compass 101 tutorial series. All three videos from this three-part tutorial are listed here to view whenever is convenient if you need to review on your own, or it's a great resource to provide as orientation for new staff as they become acquainted with the Chamber and your membership. More details are provided from these expansion links, including cues to where you can quickly jump in each video if you're short on time. And coming back to review more in depth the directory. Perhaps the first thing you'll notice is this listing is not in alphabetical order either. The directory is also on a rotation, so each time this page is visited or refreshed, a new set of companies are listed on page 1. This provides all members equal visibility. However, we also have an opportunity to quickly find members by their business category or area of expertise by simply clicking the filter and being able to use this quickly in order to select which members that they would like to see for under which business category. And each listing provides quick access by simply hovering over it to phone, email, and social channels. These marketing features can be added from your company profile on the Member Compass. For more information on how to go about that, please take a moment to view the first tutorial video on member features. From here, clicking View Profile links to the company's complete profile, including a link to their website, as well as a map of their location, a staff listing, as well as the feeds of your Facebook and Twitter feed if you've added those. Now, quick note about the email feature. To protect your email from spam but still provide an option for direct communication, our system utilizes website visitor communication. Visitors will be able to complete this message box, and while they cannot see your email, when they click Submit, it will go directly to your inbox. And from your inbox, you'll be able to view an email very similar to this. The subject will be Website Visitor Communication, and the From section will be their email address. To reply and share your email and begin a conversation, it's simply hit Reply on the email and go from there. And at any time while you're navigating through our website and you'd like to quickly access the home page, simply click the logo and you're back home. This concludes our tutorial series. We hope you've had the opportunity to view all three and share them as well with your colleagues and fellow members.